Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So this is just a conclusion of a Solitude. This is a 2000, I believe, 22, and we just replaced this whole back wall. So ladder, tail light, complete wall, compartment door, the J metal skirt that you see all down here on this side, all that's been replaced new. And so the guys had to cut the wall to remove it. They got it completely removed and replaced on there, and I just wanted to let you see it. We also did a video too on the boogie lights that we installed, so you can see what those look like, and we'll get those posted as well. So if you end up having a unit, this one was damaged. They actually hit a rock in the passenger rear corner that damaged the J metal along this side, and then it actually broke the wall loose and completely ripped it. So if you end up having any kind of impact damage, minor paint and body, give us a shout. Business name is California RV Specialist. On social media as we go by Your RV Specialist. And check out our website. It's www.calrvspecialist.com. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this.